Brad Williams, Excel primed. Again, another review of date, year, month, day. What are we going to do? Show a series of consecutive months. How do we do that? Very simple. We're going to hard code one particular starting point. What do we do? Date, year, B5, month, B5 plus 1, day, B5. You can generate an active series of dates using a formula based on the day, month, year, and date function that increased by 1 month from a single starting date. Here's our starting date. In the example, B5 contains the fixed start date and B6 contains the following formula. Date, year, B5, month, B5 plus 1, day, B5. Excel first extracts the year, month, and day values from the dates in cell B6. Well, in this case, it's cell B5. Before adding one to the month value, the B6. The date function is then used to generate a new date using the same date, year, and month plus 1. Date, year. Date 2029, 1 plus 1, 1. Date 2029, 2, 1. Formatted 2129. The first formula yields a new date of February 1, 2029, which is 1 month after the initial date. Once the initial formula has been entered, it is copied as many times as required. Each succeeding formula generates a new date with an added day. If you begin with a date such as January 31st, the following method will skip February and jump to March. Excel utilizes the day value to advance to 3/3/2029, which is 3 days after the last day of February. If you need a series of dates where every date is the last day of the month, you can use the end of month function. Let's take a look here. Let's go to 29. Let's see what happens here. And I don't know if that's good or bad. Show a series of consecutive months. How is 1/29/2029? It should show February 28th. That is a clear error on the part of Excel. You know now you can't use 1/29 for consistency. I said there's bugs. That's a clear bug. And it's not a tough bug to fix. Here is Excel's explanation. And this was from 25 years ago. It's too complex to change the Lotus data. Really, here we are almost 40 years later, and it's like, well, we shrug our shoulders. So you're going to deal with some things. This is just one of many. So just keep that in your back pocket. You're going to need a big backpack because I'm going to point out a lot of things that drive me absolutely crazy. Crazy. Well, since we're on that topic, when you open up a series of workbooks, you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Excel will not put these in alphabetical order. And you know how much of a pain in the butt that is? Especially when I'm doing a whole host of recordings. Look at this inconsistency. So I have to stop. What's the next workbook I have to work on? This goes on and on and on. Here's another bit of inconsistency since I'm on this rag here. If you have 12 worksheets open, you have some kind of numeric order. They're ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good luck, all right? Because Excel will not open them up in ascending order. Brad Williams, Excel primed. More to come. Really, there's a lot more to come. Thank you.